स्कूल ऑफ मैनेजमेंट जीबीयू में एक सप्ताह के SICTI अटल प्रायोजित कार्यशाला का समापन समारोह 13 अगस्त को मुख्य अतिथि राजीव कुमार, सदस्य सचिव AICTI और प्रोफेसर भगवती प्रकाश शर्मा, कुलपति जीबीयू, और प्रोफेसर नरेंद्र रस्तगी, सेंटर ऑफ ग्लोबल बिजनेस स्टडीज, हार्वर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी, USA द्वारा किया गया।
क्या कार्यक्रम था, क्या उद्देश्य था इसका और कितने दिन ये कार्यक्रम चला?
This was a workshop sponsored by All India Council of Technical Education under the scheme Atal. Now, this was a 5-day program which concluded today with the validity function. But on 9th of August, we started with the inaugural function of this very workshop, in which our Vice Chancellor, Professor Bhagwati Prakash Sharma, inaugurated it, and we had got two guests of honor, Professor R. Vinayak and Professor M.K. Sehgal, apart from other deans of this university. So, I, P.K. Yadav, shared about the workshop, which is sponsored by AICTE. I told you that it's a 5-day workshop, and on each day we had 3 sessions spreading over 2 hours each. Now we had different legends and luminaries in the field of management and commerce who shared their views and experiences with respect to different topics such as wisdom, ancient wisdom and modern management. Then marketing research, the latest concepts. Then we had managerial application in terms of cost. We also had the privilege of learning more about other topics, for instance crowdfunding, altogether a new topic, and the applications of crowdfunding. Then we had other luminaries, people coming from BHU, people coming from MD University Rohtak, then people we had from Indore, Professor P.N. Mishra, then when we had Sanjay Mishra, who told as to what should be taught in a business school, and we had other luminaries who shared their views with respect to different aspects, different dimensions of management. As I told you, that today was the concluding function, what we call the validity function, and in this function I shared as to what transpired during the last 5 days, who are the people who shared their views. And today's validity function was chaired by Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Bhagwati Prakash Sharma, and we also had a professor from Center for Global Business from Harvard University, Professor Narendra Rastagi, who traced out the Indian scenario, how things developed over a period of time, and what is the situation at the moment, and how we have to proceed further. I am also delighted to share that we had the chief guest, Professor Rajiv Kumar. He is the member secretary of All India Council of Technical Education. He told about the various schemes of AICTE, wherein how the teachers can be benefited, how the research scholars can be benefited. They can carry out part of the study in India and part of the study in a foreign country. AICTE is going to provide funds for research. They have developed another scheme wherein they can provide as much as 55 lakhs, subject to the condition the matching grant is also provided by the industry. So it has to be an industry-based, research-oriented approach, so that the genuine research, the patenting of the research, how the society is going to be benefited, all those things are taken care of, and we develop as a country by leaps and bounds. And that research must go to the last man. The benefit which can be provided by the research naturally has to go to the society, because the ultimate purpose is that the society must be developed, the country must grow and develop, the country must become more competitive with the rest of the world. So this was all about the 5-day workshop, which I thought I must share with the audience. And another thing which I need to tell you is, we had got 200 participants in this workshop. They were all registered by AICTE on its portal, and then these participants, they came from 17 states of the country. They had varied experience. Most of them were faculty members who were either teaching engineering plus MBA, or commerce, or economics, or multidisciplinary approach they were having, which is required by AICTE and of course by UGC, wherein there is a dire need to go in for interdisciplinary research. So this is all, and the way we have progressed over these 5 days, right from 9th of August till today, that is 13th of August. Thank you.